So in this question, number 25, we're told to solve for x. Solve the equation for x. That means they want me to find the value of x. So when you look at this equation, it's a logarithmic equation. It's a logarithmic equation, and because of the inverse property of logarithm and exponential function, I will convert this function to exponential function. So let's do that. So I now have x plus 10 is equal to 4 to the power 2. So x plus 10 is equal to 4 to the power 2. 4 to the power 2 is the same as 16 on the right-hand side. Bring down x plus 10 from the left-hand side. I am only told to solve for x, so I'm solving for x. Minus 10 on both sides. So x is equal to 6. X is equal to 6. So our answer will check. Well, let's do that. If I put 6 here, substitute 6, I have 6 plus 10 is 16. Log 16, if I solve it, I will have my answer is 2. So in other words, how many times do I multiply 4 to get 16? 2 times. All right. Okay, so stop that and stop recording.